Soram Sunil of Congress elected Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Maidon Panmay Deputy Mayor unopposed. CBI Special Crime Branch submits relevant papers to Special Court in connection with seizure of drugs at Imphal Airport. Charge hearing to begin on July 8. And free screening of congenital heart disease for children help to identify defects at birth, deficiencies, diseases and development delays. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Congress Corporator Soram Sunil Singh has been elected unopposed the Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation today. Sunil was elected from Ward number 9 in Kaishamthong Assembly Constituency. Maidon Panmay of Congress has been elected Deputy Mayor. He has also been elected unopposed. Maidon Panmay was elected as an independent corporator from Ward number 26 and he joined the Congress. DC Imphal West and Geoffrey administered the oath of office and secrecy to the Mayor and Deputy Mayor at the conference hall of Imphal Municipal Corporation. The swearing-in ceremony was attended by Congress corporators. It may be mentioned that only Soram Sunil Singh yesterday filed nomination for the post of the mayor. The BJP corporators boycotted the swearing-in ceremony. The meeting to elect the mayor and deputy mayor began at 10 this morning. Newly elected corporators and elections officials participated in the meeting. Till 1 p.m. only Maidon Panmay filed a nomination for deputy mayor. Returning officer asked the corporators if they agreed with the election of Sunil and Maidon as a mayor and deputy mayor, and corporators raised their hands confirming their support. CBI Special Crime Branch Kolkata today submitted relevant documents to Special Court at Lumphel in connection with the seizure of Rs 1.4 crore worth of drugs at Imphal International Airport in January 2013. Special Public Prosecutor Philim Ibomcha said charge hearing of the case will begin from July 8. 4 of the 5 accused in the case, Rajnit Kumar, Ramveer Tyagi, Angus Elias Nanau, Elias Nauba and Muhammad Rajauddin were today produced before the Special Court of ND and PS Lumphel. Okram Henry, an accused in the case, however, did not appear before the court on health ground. The 4 accused today paid PR bond of Rs 1 lakh each as directed by the court. Mention may be made that Special Intelligence Unit of Imphal West Police intercepted the large consignment of psychotropic drugs at Imphal International Airport. CBI Special Crime Branch Kolkata submitted a charge sheet on April 18 this year to the ND and PS Special Court, Lumphel.
PR bond, bail bond, right, punish me. To know 1 lakh surety, 2 sureties in each of the accusing ko. Adegi Mokoida RP, relevant paper, all documents punished over. And the next date, 8 July, is the fixed for charge hearing. Moi charge hearing aside police cannot see when authorities are say. Tai amsung tadi have do hearing to semaga charge the case or settled charge frame to
Counter-economic blockade against a 10-day economic blockade called by the JC of anti-tribal bills on national highways continued for the 4th day today. Volunteers of the counter-economic blockade prevented transport of food and other essential items from Imphal to hill districts at Sawombung, Lamai and Saijang in Imphal East. Since early morning, they checked all the passenger vehicles on Imphal Ukrul Road and pulled down the food items from the vehicles. The passengers and protesters got into a brawl and the protesters threw away the food items on the road. A team of police led by Imphal East Additional SP Manjit rushed at the spot and controlled the situation. General Secretary of Yaurabung Youth's Club Dhanesh Ningthaucham said the protest was not against the people. He said people are suffering due to the economic blockade. He said the encounter blockade will be continued till the economic blockade is withdrawn.
Houkiba tarik mapandagi hoji phawba leptana jatharkli economic blockade asi tawbuna maram moraga ekoi gi parja sing asida saningai thakningai amadi lau singu gi polam sing amata phangdabana maram moraga yorbong amadi nungoi itam nungoi da leriba maira paibi sing club ki narol koding mak loina counter blockade asi tawjabani national highway sing da economic blockade makha tana jatharkli ba makhai ekoi gi yorbong hai khumga asida so ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯇꯔ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯒꯅꯤ
BJP Manipur Pradesh today held a one-day political conference on the theme New Hope, New Manipur in connection with the 11th State Assembly elections to be held in 2017. The conference was hosted by BJP State Executive Committee member Adim Pamai at Nungba Community Hall in Tamenglong District. BJP State Election Management Committee convener T.H. Chauba, BJP Vision Document Chairman Dr. R.K. Ranjan and several leaders of the party took part in the event. T.H. Chauba accused the Congress government of neglecting the people of Nungba. He said the Chief Minister is focusing on the development of his constituency, but Deputy Chief Minister Kangam has done nothing for the development of his constituency. He said Manipur can achieve progress only when the corrupt Congress government is defeated.
Deputy Shem Amadi Party Percent Warga Ladam Pibam, Nasi Ground Nasi Pibam, Nasi High School Pibam, Nasi Lady Punamosi Yangurga, Karino Poi, Nakun and Waiga. Porti Matanda Laga, Bort Pio Hybadam, Nakuigi Hybadi, Karinti in Vidava. Congress is a Tramanga Sasola say, Assam the Langtopagumna, Langtop Kargam. BJP Sarkar Manipur, Soidran Lakani, Matamudra Nungba Kendra, number 1.
Adim Pamai said he is fighting the election to serve the needs of the people. He said he lost in the last election as the EVM was manipulated. Adim Pamai said if the BJP comes to power, Tamenglong will become one of the most developed districts in India.
Nakoi na sagi apambada napangando makoina legli manungda hapchalaga makhum khumjela leibado makhumdo hangdok piraga usek na bonda thamliba usek ado thadok pibadu gumna Congress ki sarkar se aina muthatlaga nakoi bu naning tamna paihan bige han ai changjabani nungma kendra se khwai da chaukhatpa nungma kendra oi hangado bani Congress na sason oiba matamda Tamenglong district se most backward district and allow talkie BJP ki sarkar la pamatamda most developed district in India and allow talk.
One-day state-level free screening of congenital heart disease by echocardiography was held today at the Conference Hall of Health Directorate. The program was jointly organized by Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakaram RBSK Mobile Health Team, State Health Society Manipur and Sky Hospital and Research Center. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakaram RBSK under National Health Mission Scheme is a new initiative aiming at the early identification and early intervention for children from birth 1 to 8 years to cover 4 Ds, namely defects and birth deficiencies, diseases, development delays, including disability. A 4-member team of RBSK conducted a survey in creches, schools and door-to-door in the state. They came across 158 cases of the disease during the survey. Nearly 50 children came today for screening of congenital heart disease. Addressing media persons, State Mission Director Dr. Okramibomcha stated that if cases of heart disease are detected today, the patients will be treated free of cost under the RBSK scheme. He also said such screening will be conducted at district level too.
Manipur Punwakta 36 health block ta RBSK ki team mari Dr. Anyiga aduga nurse amaga pharmacy amga thadoga heart manung da vera level heart hobiga na 158 kumba khoi hujik list lere madugi Kauraga koina operation toba yaba balloon gumana main gadam nakar mano hidak na gadam nakar mano chimbasi koi Sky Hospital ga khusam na toriba KMC de sida koi heart ke ultrasound logoni masi loraga Sky Hospital da koi na tied up tojare asang mo paisa se koi na mission na mo na subsidize to birani adu gi matakta asanga da basi mission na loina puthoga.
Siddharth Moirangthim, son of RD and PR Minister Moirangthim Mokendro has been offered free education facility in Japan following his achievements in the Genesis program. PowerPoint presentation on the relations between Manipur and Japan during the World War II made by Siddharth during Genesis 2015 reunion program held at the Embassy of Japan in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi impressed the high-ranking delegations of both the countries. Japanese ambassador to India Kenjin Hiramatsu lauded the state boy. Directors and professors of various universities in in Japan who attended the program offered free education facility to Siddharth in Japan. Siddharth Moirangthim is the only student from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Silchar region among 22 students who participated in the 10-day Genesis program in Japan in March this year. KCP Poire Mitay alleged that the National Food Security Act has not helped the beneficiaries as they have not been provided 5 kg of rice entitled to them under the Act. In a press release, Publicity Secretary of the outfit, Malem Nganba Maitay, said FCS officials conducted a survey on the table denying thousands of poor people the benefits under the Act and benefiting the rich. The outfit demanded that the problems of non-issues of ration cards to the poor, issue of less quantity of rice and issue of ration cards to the rich should be resolved immediately. Brother-in-law of Wangkhem MLA Meghachandra is accused of assaulting a BJP worker. Meghachandra's brother-in-law Oinam Bungobi alias Romesh allegedly assaulted a BJP worker Thangcham Lokendro alias Inao from Yairipok, Bishnu Nuha. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Thangcham Lokendro said on June 14 at around 11 while attending a musical event at the Yairipok, Bishnu Nuha, Oinam Bungobi alias Romesh, accompanied by about 7 friends, asked him whether he had changed. Lokendro claimed that when he said he had no change, Oinam Bungobi made some political allegations and started assaulting him. Condemning the incident, Thangcham Lokendro said the relatives of MLA should stop such act.
Pasha soiba yaubra na hangmani. Pasha soiba yaubra pasha tharu gena in pasha soiba si yaugde. Pasha ma punga tani in haba. I see Hanadi, Emily Meghachandra, Maggie, Walker or me. Aduga, Hujiti, Maggie, Karata, my characters, some Pamzada Vita, BJP active member, Winam Haridase, Shida, Akoi, full support and Akoi Sienbani, Maggie the Leramanina, Masinopana, Akoi the Leramina, Hujiti, Shapara, Moro, Cola Moro, and some Karata, Karim Katina, some Tow Vita. Karadino come out the pop of the Tarakonemeta. Kogi Parjasinga Sumana Kogi Bundagi type da Kogi Ran Satabaze, Masimadi Senga, Pamzada Haitare.
Manipur State Film Development Society, MSFDS and Cinestar Artists and Technicians Association Manipur Kata today felicitated the National International Award winners in the field of film at a function held at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound. The award winners were presented with gifts and citations. Speaking at the function, the Art and Culture Commissioner K. Radha Kumar said the government has considered to give employment to the winners of national and international film awards. He said the government will announce a film policy in the next 2 to 3 months. Radha Kumar also said the government will also set up a film institute to develop Manipuri film industry shortly. Meena Longjump's Auto Driver, which backed the Best Non-Feature Film on Social Issues in National Film Award 2015, and Haubam Paban Kumar's Pumsang, which backed Best Film Critic Award in Mumbai International Film Festival 2015, were screened at the event.
सरकार की माइगेट की दे थबक से लेप्त्रे फिल्म पॉलिसी सी होजिक लोइसन र पुथोरकदोरे नेक्स्ट मंथ तका दि सोइदम कि लोइबगी स्टेज द लेरनी मदुग लोइना फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट अमा लिंखटपगी सी था तरुते की ममांग दगी खरग ताब होरकदो होजिक रियलाइज तोरकना लास्ट स्टेज द योसले फिल्म सी अनोबा कल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कल्चर का लापस द फिल्म सी सो एज अ डिसिप्लिन ऑफ स्टडी गा वेना यूरोप ना बगी आसाद ले यूरोप पसु वसनु यूरोप पसु नंगनी ना इखनजे Ranbi Film Institute later, then it may become one of the affiliating colleges of the newly established Manipur University of Culture.
Kwai Nung Sing Sinthalub is going to build a spiritual home called Laidam Lane at Langathel Tokpaching. The spiritual home would be home to people from all beliefs. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club today, Ajit Das, a member of the Loop, said the Loop has come up with the idea of the spiritual home considering the prevailing situation in the society where a certain religion is turning against a religion, a community is turning against another. He said it is about time that people of different beliefs come together at one place and share the positive aspects of one's religion or belief and eliminate the differences. He also appreciated Nepram Somen from Langathel for donating the land where the spiritual home will be built. He appealed to all to contribute and encourage in building of the spiritual home, which would play an important role in bridging the gap between the different communities and beliefs in the coming generations.
Tunga sum leneragadi my dharma my culture in tawna kangup 9 legadi akoi sim lapthokni pulap chakmina na ya no lamben thirapu kansai da koi spiritual platform da kakat pana tragadi religious kanoda laktaragadi my division narpa adu mayam du loina makha da lehuraga akoi spiritual platform da koi atma ge horpham amtani koi miyoba punam ke hora atma sing ge horpham mapam ji samane koi ipam tagi machane habigi concept sida we can respect each other for society da leriba crime sing se koi yam na masing handagani nungsinabi changsine hengalakani.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
FI tutorial for CVSC. Kaishampar Hodam Lerak opposite Tidim Oil Pump. Admission open for second batch. 6 months foundation course for class 11 and 12 CVSC students. Class commences from 22nd June 2016. Hostel and transportation facilities available. Unique features of FI. Discussion period for every subject. Analysis of CVSC question patterns. Highly suggested study materials for examinations. Analysis of improvement of weaker students. Top faculties from reputed CVSC schools.
Please come and join. Golden opportunity for BTech aspirant students and parents. Discussion and counseling on engineering courses and its prospects. First time in Manipur on 19 June 2016 at Classic Hotel Imphal at 10:30 am sharp. Experts from engineering colleges, engineering profession and social scientists will attend the program. Discussion on how to choose career stream college. Organized by EduValley Manipur and sponsored by Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and Technology, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh and RR Institutions, Bangalore. For registration and details, please contact EduValley Manipur Babupara. Contact number 87948-57630.
ITC ki oja sing na foundation amadi revision course sing da subject sing bu macha khaina takpi ba amadi mock test amadi test series kya na ai na ngasi pangliba sida yama chawna mateng pa.
My success is the consequences of the hard work, patience and sacrifice given by the qualified teachers of ITC and the mock test series.
Science and Humanities. Intact capacity, 25 students per class. Class commences on Monday, 20th June 2016. For details, contact Gurukul, Kaisamtong Hodam Lerak Maning, Airport Road, Imphal, in between 6 am to 9 am and 3:30 pm to 7:30 pm.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Liberty Youth Front today organized free medical camp at Top Khabi Junior High School in Bishnupur district. A team of 7 doctors treated the people hit by the recent floods in Nambol, Khabi, Mamanglaikai and Khabi and distributed free medicines. About 350 people, including children, were treated at the camp. Tongtham Dipu Singh has been awarded this year's Sahitya Academy Yuva Puraskar for his novel Torbanduda. The award carries rupees 50,000. Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathin and NSS Manipur University will observe International Day of Yoga on June 21 at Manipur University Sports Complex. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, MU NSS Program Coordinator Dr. C.H. Ibhol stated that 1,500 people, including several youth clubs, Red Cross societies, Boys and Girls Escorts, NSS volunteers will perform yoga on the day. He added that a state-level event will be held to raise awareness among the youth about the benefits of yoga.
Manipur University की NSS सेलना NSS की volunteer साहुम अम्म पुथोकनी Manipur University की Physical Education Department ने सो volunteer करा पुथोकनी Indian Red Cross Society की तरफ तक सो volunteer करा Manipur Boys and Scouts की माइकई तक सो volunteer करा पुथोका पुन्ना volunteer सी लिसिंग अमगा संवा सात्रुक समाइतों ने attend तो उगडबा program नी NYK अम्म NSS ने कुसम नरगा down to college level to district level da sigi program si mai pang na pangthong na bagi mai kai dai khoi changsin min na bani.
All Manipur Fire Service Candidates and Guardians Association in a press release threatened to seize the Manipur Fire Service in case it fails to conduct the recruitment conducted for few vacant posts advertised in October 2014 for Thaubal district by June 22nd. The association said they had submitted memorandum regarding the matter to Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Chief Secretary. Forest Department will conduct an examination for selection and nomination of 6 candidates for admission to 4-year degree course of forestry for the session 2016-17 on July 3rd. Intending candidates may collect application forms from the Forest Head Office Sajentong on payment of Rs 200. The price of diesel has been hiked by 1 rupees 26 paise a litre and petrol by just 5 paise including the VAT. The new rates came into effect last midnight. With this, diesel will cost Rs 53.58 paise in Imphal. For petrol, the consumer will have to pay Rs 63 and 64 paise per litre in Imphal. In a statement, Indian Oil Corporation said the international prices of petrol and diesel and rupee dollar exchange rate warrant an increase in petrol and diesel prices. Now some sports news. Nilamani English School Mayang Imphal have won the Under-17 Boys Imphal West District Subroto Mukherjee Football Tournament. In the final played at Kumanlampao Artificial Turf Ground today, Nilamani English School Mayang Imphal trashed Kanan Devi Memorial English School Lamphel 11-0. In the final of the Under-14 Boys Imphal West District Subroto Mukherjee Football Tournament, integrated school Malom trounced Royal Academy Top Sifai 7-0 to bag the trophy. The tournament was organized by District Youth Affairs and Sports Office Imphal West under the aegis of Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. Lamlai High School beat Unique Model Academy Haingang 4-3 in the quarterfinals of the Under-14 Boys Imphal East District Subroto Mukherjee Football Tournament played at Kumanlampak Main Stadium. Afros A High Secondary School Kabaisoi beat Lodi Star Public School Laifam Kunau 4-1 in the second quarterfinal. In the Thaddeum Subak quarterfinal, Convenient English School New Chekon beat MKSMT High School New Chekon 4-3 in tie break, while Lining Tau Awangba High School Kurai Trash Poiro Kongjin High School Yairipok 8-1 in the fourth quarterfinal. India will take on Australia in their last league match of the Champions Trophy hockey tournament in London today. The match will be played at 8:30 p.m. A first-time entry into the final is at stake for the Indian team. At present, Australia are heading the round-robin league standings with 10 points from 4 outings, followed by India with 7 from 4 matches. Great Britain and Belgium are the other teams that can win their last league match to pip out India from the final. They are meeting each other in the last match. With 3 points to be awarded after a win and a point on draw, India's loss today can give Britain, currently on 5 and Belgium on 4 points, a chance to enter the finals. However, even a draw could boost India's prospects of making the title encounter. A victory over Australia would put India into the final of the Champions Trophy, something they have not achieved so far. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Soram Sunil Singh of Congress elected Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Maidon Panmai Deputy Mayor. CBI Special Crime Branch submits relevant papers to Special Court in connection with seizure of drugs at Imphal Airport. Charge hearing to begin on July 8. And free screening of congenital heart disease for children held to identify defects at birth, deficiencies, diseases, development delays.